Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about the difference between trading, financial trading, and gambling. Alright, so a lot of people can develop this idea in their heads that they're the same thing, and that's not true. Alright, the definition of trading in this context is the buying and selling of different financial goods, such as stocks, bonds, options, to try and receive profit. Alright, so that's what trading is. Now, the definition of gambling is when you're risking your money on some sort of game of chance. Alright, now games of chance are essentially controlled by some sort of randomizing device, like a roll of dice or a roulette. Now, with that being said, the market, the stock market, the financial markets aren't a randomizing device. They're literally a store of different investments that you could buy and then sell later in hopes of profit. Now, with that being said, the value of those investments aren't going to be affected by anything random. They're going to be affected by factors that investors and traders are already going to be cognizant of. So if you decided to invest your money into a company that produces cars, and you're aware of a demand increase of these different transportation vehicles, what you're doing isn't risking your money off of some random device. You're researching how one factor can logically affect your investment, and you're making a decision based off of that. Alright, so that's what trading is. Now with gambling, it's not like that. A lot of people would just put their money on slot machines, pull the lever, and then go, oh man, I should have won. Alright, that's gambling. Now, there are some games that people play, like horse racing for example, that provides people with the opportunity to do a little bit more research. However, people still treat that as some sort of careless game, right? There's some people who don't do any research on the conditions of the horses, they don't check up on the horses before the race or anything like that. So you're still risking, you're still gambling, alright? So that's the difference between trading and gambling.